Hello, welcome. Hello everyone. I'm Dr. MK Shivani. Welcome to this masterclass, and I'm super excited to host you, all of you, for this ultimate guide for losing belly fat masterclass session. And today in this sessions we are going to learn a lot of interesting things and simple steps and simple tips where it can actually help you to follow and lose belly fat, get back into shape, look more younger. How many of you are excited to go back in shape and fit in your old clothes and become more confident and get your smile back? I'm talking to you, especially ladies, women over 40 who have really lost their identity and they are not taking care of themselves and want to lose that special belly fat. So this session is for you. Meanwhile, I'm just going to say hi who have joined this masterclass, and you can comment in the comment section. Are you excited to learn that? So you can comment that. So welcome Anita, Harshada, Dr. Purnima. Yes, welcome Snehal, welcome Viju. Yes, welcome. In today's masterclass, which is ultimate guide for losing your belly fat over 40, we are going to discuss a 6-step formula which is going to help you to lose your belly fat in next 45 days if you follow without compromising on your diet schedule and with going to the heavy exercises, workout or gym plan. So here is secret number 1. First of all, especially for women who are of 40, they feel I'm going to have a belly fat. This is a post pregnancy and it's a part of life. I'm never going to come back to my original shapes. The first secret is the self awareness. It is not true. You have to do the self analysis of your daily diet schedule and remove the myth that you cannot lose belly fat. If you are aware what are those common reasons which is going to increase the belly fat, because this whatever you eat may be the same whatever you used to eat pre-pregnancy or at the age of 20, 25, 30. You may be eating less than that and you feel, why I have to go through that, my belly fat is more even though my diet is less. So there are 6 to 9 common reasons which is a part of your busy lifestyle which you are not aware, which is has got a tendency to increase weight. So let me discuss the few reasons you might spot in your daily lifestyle which you are following and which is going to increase the weight. First, there is a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet which contains the powerful antioxidants and remove the toxins. And I know that in today's lifestyle it is not correct, but it is very difficult. Let's keep that aside. The second thing is there, you are skipping your meals. You should ideally have 3 meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. If you are the one who is skipping the meals, that is a reason that you are going to increase the weight. Third is there is a long gap between the meals, more than 4 hours of gap, and that is your metabolism is at a different place. And the fourth reason is, if you are having a late night dinner and there is a no gap between your dinner and sleep, hardly it's a 2 hours gap, the metabolism rate is slow, the brain has got tendency to reduce or metabolize, utilize only the half, and the rest is getting converted into the visceral fat. And the most common is that high carbohydrate, high oily junk food which is giving a fullness. It contains the empty calories and does not contain nutrients. So how many of you have become aware that whatever reasons I have stated, you are following one or two, which is the main reason? Besides your age, besides your hormonal problems, these are the common which is needs a lifestyle modification. The second secret I am going to tell you that the habits, your dietary habits and a dietary schedule also makes a lot of difference. If you are having meals at fixed timings, okay, between half an hour, 30 to 35 minutes of slab, it's okay. But if you are having irregular timings, breakfast at 7 o'clock today, tomorrow my breakfast is at 8 o'clock, day after 9 o'clock, so irregular timings in your meals, which also confuses your central processing unit, that is liver, which utilizes the food and processes the food for the metabolism. So that is also a very common reason. Also, schedule is disturbed and you are having a late dinner is also a secret. If you follow that secret, having meal at a fixed timings with definite schedule will not increase the weight. The third secret is very, very important. The third step is having that meal plan. Once you know there is an extra belly fat and which is not going to reduce, if you want to remove the visceral fat, which is your emergency fat, emergency reserve your body has kept because you keep on starving yourself, keeping more gap between meals, central processing units converts half the material and half is getting converted into the emergency reserve, that is visceral fat. If you have a high protein, high fiber diet and reduce your carbohydrate intake, the brain will get signal and that will help in reducing the weight. So having that customized plan which consists of less carbohydrate and no carbs after 7 p.m. No carbs dinner is also will increase the metabolism. So here we give you a customized plan as per your routine, as per your culture, which will not disturb your schedule, the lunch and breakfast schedule, and that will help you in reducing the belly fat. This is one of the. Fourth is very important, and I don't think so if you have attended any other weight loss program, you must have tried any other program. This is very important hack I am giving you and very easy to follow. When I told you you are having a long gap between two meals, you might get wondered, oh, this madam is telling me to have many meals, so my workload of creating the recipes, with great difficulty I am able to manage and cook my 3 meals. If there is a 3 more insertion of snacks, how I am going to manage my snacking in between? So this is a very good hack to avoid the confusion for your CPU unit of metabolism. If you are having more gaps between meals, intermittent snacking, especially of protein, which will give you such a sustainable energy and give the thermogenic effect to the body, and that is a biggest important hack to reduce your belly fat. So insertion of protein snacks between your breakfast and lunch, like have a boiled egg in between, have 3 to 4 almonds, or you can have chia seeds with water, even you can have soya nuts and fresh coconut. I like fresh coconut, which is a very good source of protein, fiber and good fat. You need fat, but you need good omega-3 fat and not the bad omega-6 fat. So this is the fourth secret you have to insert in your lifestyle. The fifth is intermittent fasting. The market is flooded with the intermittent fasting, and anyway, whatever methods you apply for reducing the belly fat, it is a fantastic if you are able to sustain that habit or that meal plan without breaking. The time you stop that and come to the original habit, that will bounce back your weight. So how many of you have tried losing weight and after that you have left that it has bounced back? What I am telling, a 6-step formula, the ultimate guide for losing the belly fat in 45 days by 6-step formula. My fifth formula is insertion of that intermittent fasting, but the normal intermittent fasting is 16 hours and the time you break down it will bounce back. Intermittent fasting is the only scientific principle you require is whatever you eat, it takes different timings for this utilization. In medical language, it is called metabolism. If you eat any fruits and vegetable, it takes only 5 to 6 hours for its processing. But if you are having carbohydrates like rice, roti, maida items, pasta and bread, it takes 16 hours to process that food. If you had a heavy carbohydrate in the morning, welcome Manisha, in the morning, by the time it gets processed, you are bombarding again with heavy lunch with lot of rotis and rice. By the time again it is not processed fully, you are having a good family dinner at night with lot of carbohydrates. So the central processing unit, which is the metabolism unit, gets confused and it gives up, and it processes only the half the carbohydrate, and half the carbohydrates are getting converted into the emergency reserve, that is our fantastic visceral fat around your tummy, waist and hips. So if you follow the intermittent fasting by following the principle of having early dinner by 7 p.m. or early 6:30, 7:30 with no carbs, the liver gets rest to process all the carbohydrate what you had in the lunch and in the breakfast, and it removes all the toxins. Even if you follow the principle of intermittent fasting, that having early dinner and having the breakfast early morning will give you a good digestion and removal of the toxins, that is number one, and number two, relief in the morning. You can follow this principle of intermittent fasting. The sixth principle or the 6-step formula, which I always tell, is the mindful eating. Whatever you eat, it should be with a mindful eating. Don't just flood everything, all the material in one plate with a higher quantity. Eat in a small quantity, have a little small quantity before starting food. Just experience the food. You experience or just feel the food, feel the smell of the food, see the texture of the food, color of the food, and with that mindful eating, away from your social media distraction, the digestion will be better. So mindful eating, you can also follow my tips on my different social media links where I have already explained about that. With the mindful eating also, the quality of the sleep is also important. If you are having a less sleep, which directly affects the increase of your belly fat. Mild stretching in between every hour, whatever you are doing, after every hour keep a reminder and just go and go around, little stretch every after 1 hour. Don't be in one place for more than 1 hour and having those joint pains. And also I believe, if you are in the process of reducing the belly fat, even if you are not obese, your self-talk is important. Removing of all those bad myths or bad experiences about having belly fat or having experience of any programs and you have felt it, the subconscious mind programming. So we always focus on giving the affirmations for your weight loss. Don't think of losing your belly fat. Always think of you are removing the unnecessary fat which is not required for your body. The time you think only about the loss, you are programming your mind, I am going to gain back whatever I have lost. The way if you lose money, you always think I have lost money but I have to gain it back. The same way, if you think of losing the fat, your subconscious mind is programmed that whatever I lose, I have to gain back. So just remove that thought process that I have to lose weight. You think that I have to shed away or I have to remove away the excess fat which is not required for my body. Your luggage or your belly fat is like a luggage you carry. The more the luggage you carry with your body, the shorter is your life tray. You are inviting for more than 300 complications which is affecting your body, which is affecting your mind, and which is affecting your soul if you are running or carrying that belly fat for more than 2 years. It will affect your emotions, it will affect your appearance, and you will go into the guilt mode and will have the overeating. The sixth, you have to visualize what you are going to feel about yourself when you are going to lose fat. So thank you for joining this master class where I have shared my ultimate secrets for losing the belly fat. It is very, very simple. I will repeat for the new people. The first step is having the self-awareness, doing the self-analysis of your lifestyle, identify what is that reason which is increasing my weight, which I have already told the 6 reasons. The second formula is having the habit of eating healthy, eating in time with a fixed schedule, and with healthy eating habit. The third one is important, having your customized meal plan with high protein, high fiber and low carbs, especially when you want to shed away the belly fat. The fourth is when I told there is a long gap between two meals which increases the belly fat and disturbs your CPU, central processing unit of the metabolism, that is liver and brain. They are interconnected. So having that intermittent protein snacks and feeding your body with protein snacks which gives you sustainable energy, which I told the protein snack. The fifth is the intermittent fasting, giving rest for your liver for at least 12 hours. This you can do by avoiding late dinners and having early dinners. And fifth is mindful eating, having a quality sleep, stretching in between, using of affirmations and visualizing yourself. If you do it now, how you will look after 45 days. So here I offer my one-to-one consulting, how you can reduce your belly fat by customized high carbohydrate, high protein, low carbs diet without disturbing everything, with my specialized affirmations, visualizations and manifesting frequency tracks. You can directly message me and follow me. You can just click on the link below for linktree.com, where I have given all my links. You have got access to all my webinars, free webinars, one-to-one consulting. You can contact me and also claim your gift. As I promised, you can claim the ebook who have attended this masterclass, Health and Fitness 101 Tips. So click on the link above, and if you can just message me your email ID or phone number on the messaging, I can give you that link. You can also claim my other book, the 101 Weight Loss Tips. So have a great journey. Just make a decision. If you do something today, the future self of you will thank you for. And the more the burden you carry with your body, the shorter is the trip. Love yourself and take care of yourself, and especially women over 40. You are the role model for your family. So just get rid of that belly fat and you can be back in shape. I can experience myself. You can guess my age. Even being a nutritionist, being a doctor, I had that myth that I am over 40 and my pre-pregnancy weight will never come back. I had early menopause. But with this 6-step formula, and especially having those protein snacks and having no carbs, early dinner has helped me to reduce my belly fat by 8 kg. I was never above 60, but always with intention that, oh, it's okay, I am over 40, I am 58, 59 according to my height, it's okay. As age increases, your weight increases. But I am so happy to tell you that I have come to my pre-pregnancy weight just by following this 6-step formula. So have a great journey, and in reducing and shedding away belly fat, direct me and I will be providing you the link. So click on the link. And thanks for listening and thanks for joining. And if you have any particular questions, I am open to questions now. Welcome Royal Fan, Jay Seni and Pankaj Ghadigaonkar. Yes, Pankaj Ghadigaonkar is a diehard follower of me. He follows me on Facebook and YouTube also, and both my Insta handles, and he keeps on commenting. I thank you Pankaj, and also I welcome Manisha Suryavanshi, and she has been also following this program. Just change your mindset and think that you have to shed away that fat for more productivity, more energy. The more energy, more productivity you have, more peace you will have in your life, and you can be the best you with confidence back, the energy back, look younger, and bring your smile back, which you have lost on the way after 25 till you become 40. So don't allow your body to give you signals. Thanks for listening. Bye.